inspirational moment in Jamaican sports drives the Maverick to the world of MMA fighting this evening. Another unmistakable yard man named Leon Edwards, not just with his skill and talent and tenacity that led him to become the first Jamaican-born world champion in the growing sport of mixed martial arts. But listen how this Jamaican is so effervescent as he addresses the world in his moment of triumph. Listen.
Now look at me now. The champion of the world, soldier. The champion of the world. Champion of the world, look at me now. I was born in Jamaica with nothing. I live in a wooden shed, zinc roof. Look at me now. Look at me now, strap season. We got it, baby.
That me I talk about. Born in Jamaica in a wooden shed with no roof. But look at the man. No, yes, yet another individual Jamaican marching into a non-traditional endeavor and conquering. And when we conquer, that's how we deal with it.
Champion of the world, look at me now. I was born in Jamaica with nothing. I live in a wooden shed, zinc roof. Look at me now.